talk about the vertical and horizontal dimensions of control is of course a huge simplification, maybe an oversimplification. But I think for most of us it's a rather seductive simplification, because we always tend to talk about people on top of us, while we somehow want to imagine our customers on the same level and certainly not below us. Maybe they are also on top of us sometimes. So the idea of control in that kind of situation is that we have the probably more remote control coming from above, and we have the kind of control we want to exercise in the processes together with our suppliers and our customers. And it's not always very clear who is controlling whom in this horizontal dimension. I think few of us would trust a board whose only idea for the executives of the firm is that they should be making money. They certainly need to involve themselves in the business and have some idea what is meant to be unique about this particular firm. Still, those ideas could not be on a maximal level of detail, and that will also rule the kind of numbers, the kind of metrics which should be used to discuss the future and evaluate performance. And so there has to be a meeting point, a tangible meeting point, a credible meeting point between the objectives of the firm and the means represented by the strategies. Now that meeting point, I think the strategy map is a good way of charting and trying to develop together. So I believe that a strategy map might become a useful tool to allow shared views between, for instance, a board and the executive team, or between the executive teams on various levels in a larger corporation, to agree on expectations and find out about how they are met in performance.